Hello everyone. I have been approached by my MIB students to give a perspective on a case study which has been given to you by Dr. Nidhi. The case is about the building of a backdoor entry by iPhone, an ethical dilemma. As far as I am concerned, and I've been asked to give my perspective on the same. Being a management teacher, and I've been teaching ethics in CSR also for many years, I feel that in this case there is a possibility of looking at the case in two ways or from two perspectives. Number one, Apple being an organization and a very profitable and a very successful company in the world, where their phones are being used by millions of people. From business ethics point of view and from CSR point of view also, had the responsibility to share the data of the terrorist, because I feel that an organization is a part of the entire ecosystem, and when you are working with a government and in a particular country, and the country's security is at risk or people's security is at risk, then organizations should comply to the norms that is given by the government. And it does not mean that they will be doing the same thing with other consumers also. This can be taken as a rarest of rare case, like it happens in criminal court also, where some crime is committed which is out of the normal crimes. So court does give a capital punishment or something like that, where it is considered that this will not be repeated, and a message is given to other terrorists also, that they cannot just do away with everything. But on the other hand, I also have a second perspective, that the government had to take out the information from Apple. So government should have adopted some other methods to approach Apple, and not directly by filing a case against them or a suit against them, because to get data information from a company, there are many other ways through which they could have approached Tim Cook. So I feel that these two perspectives may give you some perspective on what Tim Cook should have done or what dilemma he faced. So that's all from my side. Thank you.